Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I hope that the videos we keep uploading are helping you out. On this video guys, we are tackling the 8th and last question from the media examination which was written in the province of Mpumalanga in the year of 2024. Please do expect a total number of 8 videos guys, since each and every question paper will have its own video. And please guys, do take these seriously, because knowing how to tackle exam questions, I strongly believe you will have an edge whenever you write your media exam, your preliminary exam, and most importantly, your final examination. So please do share the video to your peers so that they may have the same edge as well. And please guys, do help us grow the channel by just subscribing. Okay, we are told that the sample space S is a set of natural numbers less than 10. And then we are told that A is a set of even numbers and B is a set of prime numbers. Even numbers guys are just numbers which are just divisible by 2, and then prime numbers are numbers that can only be divided by themselves as well as 1. Okay, so over here guys, we just have our sample space like this. We have event A and event B. Are you together? So event A represent even numbers, event B represent prime numbers. Are you together? So for even numbers, we have two even numbers. I have 2, 4, 6, and 8. Nah? And then prime numbers. Prime numbers, 1 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 and 7 are prime numbers. Are together? But if you can check there guys, 2 appears in both even and prime numbers. So 2 will be here in the middle, and then for even numbers I'll be left with numbers 4. Let me use a different color. Let me use green. 4, I have 4, 6, and 8. And then on the other side, for the prime numbers, I'll be left with 1, 3, 5, and 7. Are you together? And then we have numbers that guys do not belong to both even numbers and prime numbers. Those numbers, that number is basically 3, the other one 9. These, not 3 man, why am I saying 3? The only number that guys is not a prime number and then even number is 9. Are you together? So now we do have all the natural numbers which are less than 10. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All of them are written there. Né? Okay, that's these guys will be our Venn diagram. Né? Okay. Then we are being asked, are events A and B exhaustive? Give a reason for your answer. These events are not exhaustive. Why? Because not all the possible numbers we have belong to A and B only. We have a number that does not belong to either A or B. So these two events are not exhaustive. Are you together? So they are not exhaustive. They are not exhaustive. Not exhaustive. The reason, because the number of A or B is not equal to the total number in the sample space. Okay, and then now we are being asked, I wrote my O wrong there. The O is supposed to be like this, né? The total number of A or B is not equal to the total number in the sample space. And then now we are being asked, what is the number of elements which belong to both A and B? The total number that belongs to A or B, we have 8 in total. Remember that guys, our sample space had 9 numbers. However, only one term does not belong into that sample space. That means we have 8 in total that belongs there. Then we are being asked, what is the probability of drawing an even number and a prime number? The probability of drawing an even number and a prime number. So the number of even numbers which are also prime numbers all over the total number in the sample space. I only have one number, guys, which is like that, and that number is just 2. So I'll simply say the answer is just 1 all over 2, because there's one number which is just an even number and a prime number at the same time. Just take the sum of those numbers, not the sum, rather just count those numbers. I only have one number, so I'll just say 1 all over sample space, which is 9. 1 divided by 9, what do we get? 0.1111. Let's just leave it like this, 1 over 9. And then now we are told that the South African Traffic Service is doing a clampdown on speeding. During recent speeding trap, they collected the following information. Okay. Over here, guys, I have a column for totals. This represents the total columns for the total number of males that were recorded, the total number of females that were recorded, and the total number of people that were recorded. So the sum of males and females should give us the total number in the sample space. Are you together? And then over here is the total number of people who are speeding, either male or female, and the total number of people who are not speeding. Are you together? Okay, and then over here is just the number of males who are speeding, the number of females who are speeding, the number of males who are not speeding, rather, over there. And then over here is the number of females who are speeding and the number of females who are not speeding. Are events being a male and speeding independent or not? This will be true if and only if, guys, the event of being a male and speeding is basically equal to the probability of being a male multiplied by the probability of speeding. If this is true, that means the events are independent. Okay. Let's just work with that. Let's first find the probability of being a male and speeding. The total number of males who happen to be speeding is just 398 divided by 1000. This will simply give me 0.398. Are you together? And then for the second part, the probability of males multiplied by the probability of people who are speeding. How many males do we have? 615 divided by 1000 multiplied by, I forgot to write 1000 there. So this, I'm saying the probability of being male multiplied by the probability of people who are speeding. That's 603 divided by 1000. So this will give me 615 divided by 1000 multiplied by 603 divided by 1000, and this will give me 0.370845. So I can see that this is 0.39 and that's 0.37. So therefore therefore being male is being male and speeding are not independent, and being male and exceeding the speed limit are not independent. They are not independent. Why? Why are they not independent? Because the probability of being male and speeding is not equal to the probability of being male times the probability of exceeding the speed limit. That's how, guys, you're supposed to tackle this question over here. Please do stay tuned and wait for more videos. Thank you.